Hello Harmony One holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, in this video I'm talking about the big mistake of holders doing it this time, my friends, and I also shared the urgent alert news with all of you, my friends, in this video. So you know what, my friends, keep watching this video complete and be safe from loss, my friends. First of all, my friends, if we talk about the price of the Harmony, so 0.08 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Harmony. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the Harmony changes, so you can see here that now only the last 24 hours changes is negative, but you know what, a lot of holders decide to sell due to this reason, my friends, that the last 1 day changes is negative. You know what, when a holder see a small falls, a temporary for 1 hour's falls, when a holder see, so they understand that now the farming time starts. Now I lost my all money in the Harmony, but my friends, they understand it wrong. That's not a way to make money with the cryptocurrencies market, my friends. In the cryptocurrencies, you have a patience, you have a wait, my friends. My friends, those people who decide to sell due to this reason, my friends, that is really a big mistake for all of you. Don't decide to sell due to false, my friends. Don't decide to sell any cryptocurrencies due to false, because my friends, you know what, every cryptocurrency is fast down for some time, take a jump for some time. It's the common rules of cryptocurrencies market, sometime pump, sometime jump, my friends. So you have to wait, you have to just patience with these changes, my friends. Don't decide to sell due to false, my friends. Anyways, my prediction is going positive about Harmony One coin, that they have to take a pump in the July. So keep watch this ABC Tech channel for more updates, and also hold, my friends. Don't decide to sell. It's time to hold Harmony One, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.